Question 10. Using a ruler and compasses only, construct the perpendicular bisector of the line AB that's been shown here. So in a nutshell, what a perpendicular bisector is it's a line that's going to cut this AB in half and also be right angles to AB. So that line in red is effectively what we're going to end up with. Now, what I'm about to draw is not going to be super accurate because I cannot use compasses on this screen, but the steps I'm going to take here are going to work for you if you're using a pair of compasses. So, first thing we will need is to set up our pair of compasses. I'm just going to draw a rough bit here. You will have a point that I'm going to show in green, and you're going to have where we, the pencil head with red. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to set the pin to one corner or one end of this line, should I say. So for example, A here, and the pencil tip, I'm going to make sure that the distance between the pin and the pencil tip is somewhere close to the length of B, but really 3/4-ish would be enough. As long as we're nowhere near halfway, we'll be good to go. The closer we are to B, the better. So let's just say I set it to that distance here. What I'm going to do is, with the pin at A, I'm then going to draw a semicircle going through our curve through our line like so. Now that's pretty wonky, but again, if you do this with a smooth curve with a pair of compasses, you'll end up with something that will end up being accurate. Without changing the distance, you've got to make sure that the pair of compasses don't adjust. This distance here needs to remain the same. We're now going to reverse this, where the pin is now going to go on point B, like so. And the pencil arc then would be round about here. We're going to draw another semicircle arc, this time going this way. And it will give us something that looks like that. The two parts where these curves intersect in blue just now, if we connect these, should give us, or certainly you'll get this, should give us a line that is first of all perpendicular to our AB. Now of course I'm a little bit out here, so hence why I'm just making this point a little bit bigger, but hopefully you can see that we have a right angle here. And of course you could technically measure this with a protractor if you wanted to be really careful with it. And hopefully you can also see that this looks pretty close to the middle of AB, so it's going to cut it in half. So we have our perpendicular, we have the fact that it cuts it in half, therefore it's a bisector. If you have used a pair of compasses and not adjusted the length and made sure that these arcs are the same both sides, and you have something that looks like what I have here, then you have answered the question. Done.